Everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change mic sound Sidetone on STEELSERIES Alias Pro mic. So as you guys see right now, I'm on the software and I'm going to click on Alias Pro, and as you see there's the mic Sidetone. Mic Sidetone enables you to hear your own voice through selected output device, so you can select it or you can just turn it off by going to 0 or to the right to make it max volume. I hope this video helped. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.